I've arrived in room 8202 of the Naumi Hotel, Singapore, and this category of room is the Habitat room. There's a king-size bed here. Overall, the room appears to be quite compact. It's not a huge room, and everything is designed with that in mind. So you have a compact work desk area, which is actually slidable to reveal the adapters. And under the bed, they've put in the ironing board as well as the luggage rack, which you see over there. So it's economical use of space. Just sliding that under the bed. But the TV is still relatively large, I think over 40 inches or somewhere around there. And this room actually looks out directly to the street entrance of the hotel, which you can see once you lift up those night blinds. And in this area, that's the bathroom area, center console or area where everything's placed, all the toiletries, as well as the minibar fridge. And with my room rate, all the soft drinks are refillable, completely free. Only the Tiger beer is only usable once. So further adapters over there. And then what they have done here is to put the minibar facilities, such as the coffee machine, an espresso coffee machine, as well as the kettle and the glasses. So here is the shower, and next to that the toilet. There is a rain shower included here. And one interesting feature here is the glass, which you can either set to see through like that, or you can make it opaque so that nobody can see anything through that. So it's called the magic glass function. The toilet cubicle here, again a unique flushing design here. Then next to that is the wardrobe, basically, with the hairdryer on the side. Climate control is located next to the entrance. So bedside, they've put in the safety deposit box there, as well as all the various light functions, which you can see over there. Universal adapter, which is useful. So 3 universal adapters basically close to the side of the bed, as well as an iPhone, iPad charger already placed there, which fits the style of this hotel, I think. DVD or Blu-ray player actually over there. So overall, I think it's quite uniquely designed based on what I can see, and very compact, but it still has this feeling of luxury, which is what it is aiming to do. And so it should be a quite an interesting hotel to stay in.